What's the meaning of cure? Cure. Cure.
Cure. Cure. The term cure refers to the successful treatment of a disease or medical condition that leads to the restoration of the patient's health. In other words, a cure is the end result of a process that eliminates or significantly reduces the symptoms of a disease or illness, and helps the patient regain their physical and mental well-being. A successful cure can be achieved through various means, such as medication, surgery, therapy, or lifestyle changes. Ultimately, the goal of a cure is to improve the patient's quality of life and enable them to live without the burden of their condition.